What's the problem?
See, I've been trying to come up with a movie script, but I don't know how to do it.
No wonder, because I've been observing you from that side. Okay. See what will happen. Why don't you download the Everything Script plus Screenwriting? You know, to make all these things easier and less of a problem.
Everything what?
Everything Script plus Screenwriting.
Please, what's that?
Okay, it's actually an ebook that was put together to groom and polish upcoming scriptwriters like you, you know, to be a professional and make a very wonderful job.
Please, how do I get this? Like, I'm really frustrated since morning.
No problem. Okay, it depends on where you're viewing from. If you're viewing from an ad, simply click on the download button. But then if it's from a YouTube channel, you just type in Diamond Life TV, and then you click on a video, and a description will come out giving you a link to the downloading of this ebook. Do you understand?
I think I'll be needing it. Let me get it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Well done.
Yeah, the script is almost ready, yes.
Hey, Josh. I can see you're enjoying yourself. Wow.
All thanks to
Everything Script plus Screenwriting.